Hi there, and welcome back to Challenging Kitchen. Today, we are going to be making chicken piccata. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it. Here are the items that you're going to need. You're going to need some flour. You're going to need some salt, some pepper, some rinsed capers, some butter, lemon, your chicken, some olive oil, some white wine, or if you don't want to use white wine, you could use a white wine vinegar. Now let's get started. What you want to do is you want to have your boneless, skinless chicken breast, and you want to slice it about like that. And we're just going to pat it out a little bit with a mallet. Now that we have sliced our chicken breast, we're gonna take a mallet, and I'm just gonna, the thicker one, I'm just gonna pat out just a little to make it at least 1/4 of an inch thick. You could also use parchment paper if you would like, but plastic wrap will be just fine. We just want it to be a thinner fillet. I'll flip it over and do the other side. Now we're just going to season with salt and pepper. And let's not be the one-sided seasoner. Let's flip it over and do the other side. Now then we're gonna take our flour and we're just gonna dip the chicken in there, shaking off any excess. And I'm gonna put it on a baking sheet. This was about a half of a cup of flour. Just want to get it nice and coated. Shake off the excess. A couple more pieces. Here we go. Clean up my workspace here with a soapy cloth. Get it all nice and clean again. Here we go. Now to our skillet, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using unsalted because the capers have salt, and even though that they are rinsed, they have a saltiness to them. So over medium heat, I'm just gonna melt the 2 tablespoons, and working in batches, I'll be doing the chicken. About 2 tablespoons. Bring my seasoned chicken over. Because we're going to give this chicken a nice sear. We want it nice and browned on each side. And it should only take a few minutes on each side since they're very thin. Let that heat up. This is a really lovely dish. It's almost like a treat to have it. It tastes so good. All the flavors together. Oh, absolutely amazing. Once we get that lemon in here, oh my goodness, that's gonna pop. It's gonna be great. Nice and tender meat. Cook it 2 to 3 minutes on this side. I've already rinsed my capers and I have my lemon ready to go. Now once the chicken has gotten this nice golden brown color on each side, we're going to remove it from the pan and put it on a plate or a baking sheet, and we're going to do our sauce. This smells so good. Oh my Lord. So nice. Now then, I'm going to turn that heat down a bit. I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of butter, 2 more tablespoons of olive oil, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of dry white wine. Normally I don't use wine in cooking, but I am today because this is a treat. Like I said, you could also use white wine vinegar if you don't like the alcohol, but the alcohol is actually evaporating out as we cook this, so there's no chance that you're gonna be loopy with this dish. I'm gonna add my capers that I've rinsed because they can be rather salty. This is about 1/4 cup. You could add more if you want. Turn that to medium now. I'm going to add, this is going to be about 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Get that little guy out. You don't need a seed in there. Come on. There we go. I got 2 more seeds in there. How about that? Let's pick them out. There you go. Oh, smell that. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Woo-wee. That's some fine dinner right there. A little bit more lemon juice. Hopefully without the seed. There we go. Beautiful. Very nice. Very, very nice. Now then, I'm gonna add the chicken back. I have turned this back down to a simmer. And I'm gonna simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes until it is nice and tender. In the meantime, I'm going to do some garlic smashed potatoes. It's going to be delicious. Stay tuned. Cover with a lid and let it simmer 10 to 15 minutes or until it's the desired tenderness. I'm just gonna do some garlic smashed potatoes. So I have 2 russet potatoes, these are pretty good size, and 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna boil them together, and then we'll smash it with some unsalted butter and a little bit of half and half. Thank you so much for joining me today. Give this chicken piccata recipe a try. Let me know how you like it. You know I love to hear from you. And as always, may God always bless you. Thank you.